Every morning, alarms wakes up my sleeping spirit, while the crowing of a chicken, the hissing of a kettle, the clatter of a spoon in a glass with the fragrant aroma of coffee and water drops, clanking plates in the sink, creaking floors and squeaking doors horns can be heard. On the way out of the house, birds chirps like music to the ears, along with the whispering buzzing of insects, the leaves rustling in the wind, and dogs are barking. At the rise of the king's sun, I was on my way to school in Tesda, while on the drive, various sounds of noisy cars would break the quiet atmosphere, as sounds like a coin in a clothes dryer, brakes squealing, grinding or growling, a finger snapping, popping or clicking sound when you turn, a rhythmic squeak that speeds up as you accelerate, a howling, whining or even singing, the rhythmic clanking, tapping or banging from under the hood, squealing under the hood at start-up or when accelerated, and the horns and roar of large vehicles which hurts in the air that seem all are in a hurry. Sounds like a grunts and grumbled stomachs when you're hungry. And when I got to school, rattle, clanging, grinding and hiss of welding irons could only heard as I enter in welding area, with a sparkling and whooshing fire in it. When lunch came, as I walk out in the streets of the Jongantown Plaza, even from afar, you can hear the screams and cheers of the crowds who supports the players, and the sounds of the bouncing ball and the sleeping shoes that seems to be rumbling, and the high-pitched air sounds of whistles. The tensions inside the court was really high and hearts pounding. I can feel the nervousness of each as the battle heats up. After that, I came back in school. Then after the class, I continued to tour in town and it's already afternoon. The bell in Catholic church was ringing and clanging, giving a sign that the mass will start very soon. After that, I've decided to go in Tabindagan to relax and have some fresh air. The sigh of a cold breeze winds was hugging me very warm. Gusts of winds and waves of water was really good to hear. It's murmuring a happiness in my heart. The sunsets represents a new beginning, new hope and the expected new lights of tomorrow to start all over again. The presence of environment telling me that I am not alone, that I am with the natures, struggling life's challenges to have a better future. In this kind of place, you may find a real peacefulness, a place where you may feel worthy and completely healed from brokenness and disappointments. So don't let yourself be trapped in the loneliness and cruelty of the world. Try to go out and revive your devastated self.
Peter Piper pick up pepper, pick up Peter, Peter Piper pick it, Peter Piper pick it, pick up peppers, Peter pick up pepper, Peter Piper pick.